Winter should be about nice stuff, like eating and being in the warm, not being in -2 garages, putting the motor back in the J6R. Here we go though. Right, brief overview. Well, I can still feel my fingers to operate a phone. Done 1100 miles, I think, racing last year-ish. Motor refresh over winter. And plan change crank. Crank's original in this, done 7,700 miles now. It hasn't had an easy life, so the plan will be strip, check, inspect crank, rods. Head should be good because we put new valves in last year, but we'll see. And the plan is to change crank anyway, so all I don't want to do is go to a race weekend and have any engine problems. Prevention is better than cure. Also, if we plan on doing BSB this year, which is the plan, do a couple of wildcards, then I want a motor that is good, but needs to be stock, got to be stock. So, I mean, to be fair, every time it's been rollered, we've done 186 horsepower, that's fine. As long as it's reliable, I'm happy with that.
You know, but I still can't pick up. I still can't pick up my weights. When I weigh my weight. Yeah. So they do it all in the mirrors, don't they? And then they leave the weights all over.
freezing, absolutely freezing. Even had the heater on flat out and it's still not just heating anything. Motor's in, new exhaust on, massive thanks Jamie Boyce, legend. And yeah, pretty much ready to go. Coolant, oil, tank on, front wheel on, back wheel on. Getting it, close. Garage is an absolute tip, like, good. Reason I stopped the video. Reason I stopped it. This cover's definitely got to go above that radiator. Let the strip commence and rebuild. Managed to get a nice little cute dyno run there, lovely. Anyway, got more power out of it than last time, that's all we're looking for, a bit more power. Same spicy as well, love it. Right, anyway, it's pretty much the end of the vid. So, if you liked it, like, thumbs up, subscribe, do what you need to do, try and keep coming.